Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechPech. I am Biplab. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix microphone problem in Windows 10. If your microphone not working in Windows 10 PC, then watch this full tutorial. Here I will show you two methods. First, come to the Windows search bar, type here Control Panel. Then click Hardware and Sound. Click Sound. Click on the recording tab. Click right button of the mouse. If these two settings are not enabled, then enable the settings. Now click on the right button of microphone. If it was disabled, then enable it. Then click on Properties. Click on the Levels tab. Make it maximum. In microphone boost, make it as you wish. Click on the Listen tab. You can see Continue when running on battery power. Select it. Then click OK. Again OK. Now I will show you method 2. Click on the Windows search bar, type here Device Manager. Click Audio Input and Outputs. Here you can see Realtek High Definition Audio. Select it, then click on the right button. Click on Update Driver. Then click here. Select Audio Endpoint. Then click Next. Here you can see Windows has successfully updated your drivers. That means your microphone's driver has been updated. Now check your microphone. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button. Write a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe this channel.